Okay, so lastly, in our last deployment scenario, we saw that we are facing some errors
Yeah.
because our jobs are were not deployed successfully. Sometimes
Mm.
we got a cross mark while deploying the jobs
Yeah.
or in the staging part. So what happens if a job fails in the CI/CD pipeline, and how can we like resolve the issue?
Okay. So if a job failed or any error occurs, it will halt the jobs. Actually, it means that it will stop the processes. So the further stage, if I see any errors in the build stage, then the next steps is like the deploy stage, that from our crash course. So it will stop the further steps as well. It will not execute the future steps as well. So
Mhm.
if we face any errors, we can just go inside the jobs and see the logs. You can find it in the GitLab from there will be a build option and there will be pipeline. So if you go there, you will see the jobs. Jobs actually the sub task of the CI/CD pipeline. We call them jobs. So if you click on the jobs, you can see the logs of it. So logs that whatever happens in that task, it will show every step. We specified which steps. It will show every output of that steps. So it will show the last errors. If you check the last errors, then you can see that okay, there I caused any issues or something happened. We can see this. So what happened in the last crash course that I basically made a mistake that in term of the Docker file or Docker image creation, or so not the Docker image creation, I used a deployment file. When I applied the email with kubectl of the backend deployment, I used a path just like that backend deployment.yaml, but it was inside of another directory. So I didn't specify that path. So I got that issue. So whenever I saw the logs, it shows that the path is not available or the deployment file is not available here. So I know that my file is existed there. So I checked it and checked it that, okay, I missed the path actually. So I specified again and again pushed it. And then it was successful. I successfully deployed my application actually. So developers or the engineers can see the logs and easily can know that identify the issue and fix it.
Okay, thank you. And I want to add another question with it, like, why it is necessary, like, that time to restart the deployment in CI/CD?
Okay. In CI/CD, it is important to restart the deployments because if you face any errors or the jobs failed or application gets something errors, sometimes it is uncertain errors because then we need to restart it again. And one thing for the CI/CD pipeline, we created the image with a single, you can say the version. We use the latest or version 1, version 2. So every time we push code, it's just a single tag. So every time we post, the image will be built and it will be go inside of the Docker Hub or any repository. Then it will deploy our application. So in the Kubernetes, it will see that the image is the same. So it will not make any changes in the like UI, or if we just post some things and see in the front end, we'll not see that changes. But because what happens, if the deployment sees that the image is same, it will not recreate the pods or restart the pods. So we need to restart that one to see the changes, or if we make the changes apply the changes actually. So that's why actually restart is very important for the CI/CD pipeline.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Thanks for your answer.
Thank you so much.